Hey guys, this is Austin, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to export and import N8N workflows. So let's jump right in. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is open your N8N and pick a workflow that you want to duplicate. Now I'm going to choose this one because it might encounter problems importing it to another N8N instance, and I want to show you what to look out for so it doesn't happen to you. The next thing you're going to want to do is click up here and click download, and then you're going to go back over to workflows. Now imagine this is a brand new N8N, right? We're going to click add workflow. We're going to click here, import from file, and import the file we just downloaded. Cool. If I ran this right now, it would totally work because it's on the same N8N. But if I moved N8Ns, it would not work at all. Why? Well, first of all, we need to go through each of the nodes that have credentials, and we need to make sure we add credentials for them and select the right Google Sheets that have the right format. That's really important. Same with the Postgres ones, any OpenAI ones, any nodes that do API calls. Another one is this node here, this Zenro scrape, came with API key credentials. Now that being said, all of the settings are here. Sometimes this API key might not even be there. It might just look like this, and you have to go through and you have to add the parameter of the API key. You have to add the value. You have to add the URL here and some of the variables in order for this node to work. Once you do all that, you run the node, it should run 100% perfectly. Now, I do have a couple of tips for you. That JSON file that you just exported from N8N, you can import into OpenAI, and you can ask OpenAI to add changes, add extra nodes, or add on to the automation itself. So you could say something like, hey, after the edit fields node, could you add a quick automation for this, this, and that? And because OpenAI knows, ChatGPT knows what's going on, it will be able to generate you a JSON file that you can then upload and have changes on your workflow without having to actually do those changes. Now, it doesn't always work 100%, but it is a cool tip. So I hope that this video helped you guys out. If you guys want some more quick tips or more advanced tips about N8N or automation in general, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.